Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on integrating the report viewer control with a React Boilerplate application to display a sales order detail report. You need to set two items to render RDL reports in the report viewer. Reporting service. This API is used to interact with the server-side report processing. Report path. This API is used to set the path of the report that will be rendered. Let me start by setting up a new React Boilerplate app in Visual Studio Code. Then, I'll add the report viewer control to it. Make sure that your development environment has Node.js version 8 or newer, and NPM version 3 or newer. Let me start by downloading the React Boilerplate application. On the documentation page, I click this link to download the application. Once the application is downloaded, I extract it and open the root folder in the command prompt. First, I run this command to install the project dependencies. Next, I install the Bold Reports React library and create React class which installs all the dependency packages for rendering the RDL report in the React Boilerplate application. Next, I open the root folder in Visual Studio Code. I add the script reference. Bold Reports needs jQuery, React, create React class, and React DOM objects to render React components. For that, you need to import it and assign it to the window object. I create a new file and name it globals.js in the src folder. Copy the code from the documentation and add it to the globals.js file. Next, open the app.js file and reference the globals.js file. Then, to add the script file reference to the application, I open the index.html file from the app folder. Copy the scripts from documentation and add them to the head tag. Since Bold Reports uses ker-type files, provide the needed support to load such types of files in the Webpack URL loader plugin. I open the webpack.base.babel.js file from the internal/webpack folder. Then, include the ker reference in the test object. Next, to add the report viewer control, open the app.js file from the app folder. Copy the necessary scripts from documentation and add them to the app.js file. Declare the variable for the viewer style. The viewer style variable is used to store the height and width of the report viewer. Next, remove the provider tag from the React DOM.render object and add the div element, which acts as a container for the report viewer. The ID acts as a unique name for the container. The report service URL and report path are required to perform API actions. You can see how to create the standalone web API service in the ASP.NET Core or ASP.NET platform in a video I have linked in the description. Okay, let me add the report service URL and report path. Now, everything is ready to render the report. Let me run the application. I open the command prompt and run this command. It will launch the application in the default browser at the URL. As you can see, this sales order detail report is loaded in the Bold Report Viewer. In this video, I have shown you how to add the report viewer component to a React Boilerplate application to render a sales order detail report. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.